So check this out. This is an injector pump. It's called a Phlox pump. It was considered kind of a disappointment by the diesel guys in the industry. Essentially, Cummins had an experimental pump that you were supposedly supposed to be able to change the components that were broken in the thing, and therefore saving the operator a whole bunch of money. But what ended up happening is these things that proved to be not reliable, and nobody ever sold the parts separately, and you had to pull the whole thing out, and it takes forever to get it out of motorhomes and all that. But I found things that need to be done before pulling that pump, because almost always I've found it ends up being a voltage problem. So first off, the harness has to match battery voltage. In this particular one, it wasn't. So this will be part 3. I added a relay right there going to pin 5, which is something that I talk about in my other videos. I'm not going to spend a lot of time with it, but that's pin 5, and that's an ignition signal. And that's been upgraded, so now it's triggered, but it bridges via a healthy battery signal. And then also, you got to have pins, these pins here. Oh, it's a terrible video. 38 to 39, 40, and 50 all having matching battery voltage. If any of these systems are corroded, that pump will not run healthy. I wanted to show you, you've got these click tests, right? You've got different components that need a healthy 12 plus voltage signal. So here I'm going to press injection control valve. It's going to start, and you can hear the clicking, right? And then you've got front pump control valve. Another thing that takes quite a bit of voltage. And you got a rear pump control valve. So you've got a total of 3 valves, all needing a healthy 12 volt signal. And people are ripping these pumps out, $5,000 plus pumps, saying the pumps are bad, when the actual electricity going to the pumps are almost always the problem. So buyer beware. Make sure you have a good, thorough inspection of the electricity and the pinout points of the ECM before you go changing that thing. All right.